Hello everyone and welcome to this edition of Khayal Ratna series. My name is Dr. Deepa Vinay Nambiar and I am an obstetrician and gynecologist practicing in Shanti Women's Healthcare Centre, Bangalore. I also consult on MFine and today we'll be talking about certain things that pregnant women should follow during these corona times. A lot of my patients as well as women on social media have been reaching out to me during these times, especially when they're expecting, because they have no clue about the implications that this virus can actually have on their health as well as the health of the baby. Also because there's so much more to be known about COVID that it's normal to feel anxious, but here are a few tips that can help you. So let's understand a few things about pregnancy and coronavirus. When a woman is pregnant, there are a lot of hormonal changes that already occur inside her body, due to which she is capable of getting any other kind of infection also, not only COVID-19. That is due to the reduced immunological response. And so if you are pregnant during this time, it is very essential that you take care of yourself. Currently, there is no evidence that if a pregnant lady gets infected by COVID-19, her unborn baby will be getting the same. No, none of the research as of now has established that fact. In fact, the virus cannot seem to cross the placenta as well as enter into the amniotic fluid, so it is safe. However, once the baby comes out, he or she is definitely at a higher risk to get the COVID-19 if exposed to a person who's already infected. And this attributes because the newborn's immune system is not that well developed. One good thing is that even if a woman is found to be COVID-19 positive after delivery, her breast milk is not contaminated and she can definitely express the milk and have it fed to her baby by somebody else. Tips for pregnant women to stay safe during the COVID-19 outbreak. You should follow these tips religiously. Stay at home and get to do some creative hobbies like music, art, painting. You can get your physical activity on cue because that is very important during pregnancy. Make sure that you do some kind of yoga, meditation and breathing exercises. If you are a working woman and you're working from home, make sure that you don't overstress yourself and make sure that you take enough amount of breaks. Make sure that you get at least 8 hours of sleep, and whenever you are feeling tired, please take rest. Keep your house clean and sanitized. Make sure that you keep washing your hands once in 1 or 2 hours for at least 20 seconds with soap. And make sure that you don't have to get out of the house unnecessarily. Avoid hospital visits as much as you can and keep in touch with your gynecologist. In case you do have to get out of the house, make sure that you follow these precautions, such as covering your face with a mask. Make sure that you maintain social distancing and avoid common touch points like elevator buttons and doorknobs so you can prevent the contraction of this disease. Follow these guidelines properly and it shall all be good. If you have any kind of query or question, please reach out to us on the MFine app. We are here for you and wish you a very safe and healthy pregnancy, and always remember Khayal Ratna.